yesterday. He says, as far as the match is concerned, it's not a bilateral game between the two countries. If India does not play in the Asia Cup, then India will be out. The Olympics and the Asia Cup are not for Pakistan, it is for the whole world. India has not played a match against Pakistan. No bilateral cricket has been played with them. Pakistan has not been invited separately. If we do not go to the Olympics because of our enmity with the country, who will suffer the loss? So, Union Minister Rijiju just reiterating the government line. Let's also listen in to what he said.
ये कह रही है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच नहीं होना चाहिए था। कई लोग ये भी आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि मैच फिक्सिंग किया गया था इंडिया पाकिस्तान का।
ये जो इसका सोच है अपोजिशन पार्टी का हर समय राजनीति करने का, वो ठीक नहीं है। और जहाँ तक ये जो क्रिकेट खेला है, ये पाकिस्तान इंडिया का बायलैटरल खेल नहीं है, एशिया कप है। उसमें अगर इंडिया नहीं खेलेंगे तो इंडिया ऐसे आउट हो जाएगा। और ओलंपिक्स एशिया कप पाकिस्तान के लिए नहीं होता है, वो पूरा देशों के लिए होता है। पाकिस्तान का साथ तो भारत ने कोई मैच खेला ही नहीं है, कोई बायलैटरल पाकिस्तान में भी गया नहीं है, पाकिस्तान को अलग से बुलाया नहीं है। ये जैसे कि ओलंपिक्स में अगर किसी देश से हमारे दुश्मनी है, उसका वजह से हम ओलंपिक नहीं जाएंगे तो नुकसान किसका होगा? तो इसलिए इसको समझना है। सेंटीमेंट सही है, लेकिन सेंटीमेंट के पीछे जो एक रैशनल थिंकिंग होना चाहिए कि भारत अलग से कहाँ पाकिस्तान के साथ बायलैटरल मैच खेल रहा है। लेकिन ओलंपिक्स, एशियन गेम्स, एशियन चैंपियनशिप, वर्ल्ड कप, एशिया कप, इस तरह का जो टूर्नामेंट होता है वो बहुराष्ट्र होते हैं, वो मल्टीलेटरल होते हैं, सारा राष्ट्र मिलकर खेलते हैं उसमें। वो अलग से पाकिस्तान इंडिया का खेल नहीं है।
थैंक यू।
There should be rational thinking behind sentiment as well. Vimal, I was wanting to come to you with this as well. You know, for far too long, several professionals in Pakistan have kind of taken cover under this whole canard that, you know, we are not responsible for these relationships between the two countries. Athletes or entertainers, you know, people-to-people contact should remain. Let it not spill over onto these genres. And it serves them, right? They don't take a stand against what is wrong in Pakistan. You know, the terror that flows from there or what their Pakistani army's actions are, and conveniently want relationship with Indians and the generosity of Indians as well. Clearly, that time is gone.
I think so, and there is no harm. See, as I said, that the Indians have over the years have been very patient, very generous, and they have tried to accommodate as much as they could. But there is a limit, patience limit. Enough is enough. You look at like India. If you talk about what India has done, they have hit Pakistan hard where it hurts most. So they defeated them. They know that this Pakistani team, because these cricketers were talking, the current Pakistani cricketers were talking very big. और ये बदला लेंगे, ये करेंगे। अरे भाई, rather than being words, you put a performance. Indian team did not say anything. They put a performance, then put a statement. So they back their statement by their performance. You look at in the first edition of IPL, all these Pakistani players were played 2008, 2009. When 2009, what happened? We all know. India decided no IPL no Pakistani representation in IPL, no coaches, nothing, no commentator. And look at what has happened to Pakistan in last 15, 16 years.
Yes.
Pakistan cricket has gone down. This thing they don't realize. I'm just talking about cricket, one industry, and you just relate it to the other industry. It is in the interest of Pakistani people if they have better relationship with India.
Yes,
if they
but for that, they need to make their voices heard as well.
Yeah.
It may be difficult, but then they can't expect that they will have business as usual with Indians as well. I'm also joined by former Indian cricketer Madan Lal, who's joining us over the phone line. Madan Lal, what is your thought? Did the Indian team do the right thing by not shaking hands with the Pakistanis?
Well, first of all, I must say that Indian team has played a very good cricket, and congratulations to them. And the other thing is they must have decided beforehand, you know. That's what we're going to do, that we're not going to shake hands with them, and that's a message they have sent, you know. But the only thing is that, but it doesn't make any difference to Pakistani. They're not going to change. They're going to be like this. And look at the Pakistan cricket where it's gone. You know, most of the players are not even good enough for first-class cricket. The way they have played. But that's what message Surya Kumar Yadav has sent, that we are with the Pahalgam victims, and we stand by them, and this victory belongs to them. That's what their thought process is. You can't change it. That's.
Yeah, no, every team and every player can decide for themselves as long as they're not misbehaving with the opponent team. It's fine. But Madanlal, you've played many matches against Pakistan. Do you believe things have indeed changed from the time when Indian and Pakistani cricketers could share a laugh, could spend time together? Now those times are gone.
Yeah, definitely because of the terrorism. You know, the way they are behaving with us, and when we were playing, we were all friends, and we used to play hard cricket. Then at the end of the day, we mixed together. I've been to Pakistan twice, and we had a great fun. But now it's a totally change, It's just because of their own situation and in the country. It's not, this reflects on the people also. So that's what it is going on.
Okay.
They don't have anything at the moment.
There is some difference of opinion that is coming in. Madanlal and others, I request you to stay with me. Let me just quickly play out what Congress MP Karti Chidambaram has said. He says personally he believes that sports and politics should not be mixed. Possibly an indication that he doesn't believe that India